Okay, how to solve this? Given 8 raised to m plus 8 raised to m equals 8. What will be the value of m here? Okay, this is our solution. We're going to copy first the given 8 raised to m plus 8 raised to m equals 8. Ang una mong gagawin ay i-convert mo muna kasi ang 8 raised to m plus 8 raised to m is equivalent to 2 or twice of 8 raised to m. Okay? Dalawang beses kasi siyang inadd, kaya pwede natin siyang i-multiply sa 2. Okay, then we have 2 times the quantity of 8 raised to m equals 8. Then, we're going to divide both sides by 2. Kasi ang 2 ang numerical coefficient ng 8 raised to m. Okay? After nun, pwede tayo mag-cancel. Ang matitira sa left ay 8 raised to m na lang equals sa right side naman, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then, pwede nating i-simplify. Ang 8 raised to m, pag kinonvert natin sa exponential, magiging 2 cube. Then, the remaining m, we have 2 raised to 3m equals, ang 4 naman, kapag in-exponential natin, kinonvert natin into exponential, that will become 2 squared. Therefore, we have 2 raised to 3m equals 2 squared. Then, nilagyan natin ng highlight color green ang ating base na 2, parehas kasi sila. Then, kapag nagparehas ang ating base, ibibring down natin ang exponent. Exponent sa kaliwa, which is 3m. Then, yung exponent sa kanan, which is 2. Then, divide both sides by numerical coefficient na 3 para m na lang ang matira. Okay? M equals 2/3. Therefore, the value of m here is 2/3.